Welcome to Top 5 Best Buying Reviews. The best heartbeat dog toy is probably one of the most innovative and comforting solutions available for anxious or lonely pups, designed to mimic the presence of a mother dog or a littermate with its gentle, rhythmic heartbeat, providing a sense of security and reducing stress during stressful times like separation, thunderstorms, or fireworks, ultimately promoting a calmer and happier canine companion. Number 5. Snuggle Puppy Heartbeat Toy, Medium Breeds. Meet the Snuggle Puppy Heartbeat Toy, designed to bring comfort and reduce anxiety for your medium breed puppy. It's the perfect companion for their new home. It features a real feel heartbeat and a warming pack that mimics a mother's presence. This rhythmic pulsing helps your puppy feel secure and calm during rest. This toy is ideal for easing your puppy's transition into their new sleeping space or crate. It helps establish a comforting bedtime routine right from the start. Provide a familiar and comforting presence when your puppy is alone for the first time or during quiet rest periods. It offers a sense of security and companionship. Made with soft, plush materials and durable stitching, it's built to withstand regular cuddling and play. This ensures it remains a favorite companion for a long time. Cleaning is simple. The heartbeat unit and heat pack are removable, making the plush toy machine washable for easy care throughout your puppy's early stages. What we like? This toy offers a realistic heartbeat and a warming pack for ultimate comfort. If you are looking for a way to ease your puppy's transition into a new home or crate, this is an excellent choice. It provides a familiar, comforting presence that mimics a littermate, making those first nights much more peaceful. What people say? The heartbeat feature is a lifesaver for my anxious dog. My dog loves the soft texture and the heartbeat sound. This toy has helped my dog feel more secure and less lonely. Number 4. Snuggle Puppy Heartbeat Toy for Medium Breeds. Meet the Snuggle Puppy Heartbeat Toy, designed to bring comfort and security to your furry friend. It's the perfect companion for your medium-sized dog. This plush toy is specifically sized for dogs weighing between 25 and 70 pounds. It features a realistic beating heart to ease anxiety and promote relaxation. The battery-powered heartbeat provides a gentle, pulsing sensation that mimics the presence of a littermate. Simply insert the heart unit and let the calming begin. Included is a disposable heat pack that offers up to 24 hours of soothing warmth. This combination of heartbeat and warmth helps your puppy feel safe and loved. The plush exterior is machine washable for easy care. Just remember to remove the internal heart unit and heat pack before washing. Join over 1 million happy dog owners who trust this original design. It's recommended by breeders, shelters, and veterinarians for its effectiveness. What we like? With its battery-powered heartbeat and a disposable heat pack, this toy creates a soothing, littermate-like experience. If you're a new puppy owner struggling with crate training or nighttime settling, this provides consistent warmth and rhythmic pulsing. It's designed to help your puppy feel secure and less alone. What people say? The heartbeat sound is very realistic and helps to calm my anxious dog. The toy is durable and has held up well to chewing. My dog loves to cuddle with this toy, especially at night. Number 3. Meland Doctor Kit with Puppy for Kids. Introduce your child to the world of healthcare with this comprehensive doctor kit. It's designed to spark imagination and encourage nurturing play. This set includes all the essential tools for pretend play, from a stethoscope to a thermometer, plus a cute puppy to care for. It even comes with a doctor's coat and hat. Help your child become more comfortable with doctor visits by letting them experience the role of a doctor or nurse. This toy can ease anxieties about checkups and medical procedures. With simulated medical tools and a realistic nurse costume, your child can fully immerse themselves in a fun and creative pretend play game. They can even listen to a heartbeat with the light-up stethoscope. Engaging in role-playing games helps develop important skills like communication, creativity, and empathy. Your little one will gain confidence as they take on the role of a healer. This educational medical toy set is an ideal gift for birthdays, Christmas, or any occasion for children aged 3 to 8 who dream of becoming a doctor or dentist. What we like? This doctor kit comes with a cute puppy and realistic tools to simulate a vet visit. If your child is fascinated by doctors or needs help overcoming anxieties about medical checkups, this toy is perfect. It encourages role-playing, builds confidence, and helps them understand procedures in a fun, non-threatening way. What people say. The heartbeat sound is realistic and comforting for puppies. It has a good weight and texture that dogs seem to enjoy. The warming pack is a nice addition for anxious dogs. Number 2. HuggiePup by Pets Comfort Companion. Meet HuggiePup, the ultimate comfort companion designed to bring peace and security to your beloved dog. It's more than just a toy, it's a source of constant comfort. This innovative device simulates a real heartbeat, tapping into your pup's natural instincts for comfort and security. It's perfect for helping them adjust to new surroundings or simply feel less alone. With a reusable heating pack, you can provide soothing warmth that mimics the comfort of a mother's touch. Simply microwave the pack and insert it for instant, calming relief. Make crate training a breeze with its lifelike heartbeat. It helps promote relaxation, easing anxiety during both day and night, leading to more peaceful rest for everyone. Whether you have a tiny puppy or a large breed, this companion is designed to provide comfort and security. It's a thoughtful gift for any dog owner looking to enhance their pet's well-being. Keeping it fresh is simple. Just remove the heartbeat device and heating pad, and toss the main body in the washing machine. It's ready for more cuddles after hassle-free maintenance. What we like. This companion features a lifelike heartbeat and a reusable heating pack that can be microwaved for soothing warmth. If you're seeking a versatile comfort aid for crate training, separation anxiety, or general fear from loud noises, this is a great option. Its ability to be easily cleaned makes it a practical choice for daily use. What people say. The heartbeat sound is realistic and comforting for my dog. The toy is durable and has withstood chewing from my aggressive chewer. My dog loves to cuddle with this toy, especially at night. Number 1. Chongker Realistic Companion Robot Cat. Discover a new level of comfort and joy. This companion provides the warmth of pet companionship without any of the demands, helping to ease stress and emotional challenges. It feels just like a real cat. With responsive sensors, it reacts to your touch with sounds and vibrations, even simulating a gentle purr and heartbeat for a truly lifelike feel. Each one is meticulously handcrafted by skilled artisans over many days, ensuring every detail is perfect. It's designed to fill the void for those who long for a pet but cannot have one. Enjoy the convenience of a built-in rechargeable battery. All controls are discreetly hidden, and a helpful manual guides you through its simple operation. Offer a meaningful gift of lasting companionship, especially when you can't be there in person. It comes beautifully packaged, ready to bring smiles for any occasion. What we like. This robotic cat offers a realistic experience with voice interaction, purring, and a simulated heartbeat. If you're looking for a companion for an elderly loved one who cannot have a real pet, this provides emotional support and reduces stress. It mimics the tactile and auditory sensations of a real cat, offering comfort and joy without the demands of pet care. What people say. The heartbeat sound is realistic and comforting for my anxious dog. The toy is durable and has withstood chewing from my teething puppy. My dog loves cuddling with the toy, especially at night. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.